Alright guys, tonight I'm making a really simple chocolate cake. It's so easy and it has no eggs, but this is the frosting I'm going to use. One is German chocolate and the other one is for the kids. Has little decorations on it. So here I got all the ingredients already so I can explain it quick while I'm doing this video. Because I have one hand. So it's 1.5 cups of flour. I just got all purpose. 1.5. For the sugar is 1 cup. 1 cup of sugar. I got my sugar in here because we got a big bag. You guys watch the Sam's Club haul. 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa. That's this. And I'm making 4 of them, so that's why I got all this spread out like this. 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. One of these. Ooh. I got the wrong, it's baking soda, not baking powder. I gotta get the baking soda. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Just 1/2 one of these. I'm gonna mix this stuff together. And then for the liquids, mix it all together real good. And then for the liquids, you need 1 cup of cool water. And then I got 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in each one. And then you can use 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Don't get in the container. Or you can use 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar. And then use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have that in here. So I'm gonna mix this up real good, then mix my liquids with it, and then that's the batter. I'm gonna throw it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. And I'll be back to show you guys when they're in the pans when I'm about to put them in the oven. Okay everyone, this is a small tip. If you don't want stiff cake, you really want fluffy and moist, I just learned to irrigate your flour. Mix it up, because when it just sits down and gets solid. So just loosen your flour up. And then scoop it with a spoon in your cup or whatever your measurement is. And then if you mix your flour up like that, it loosens it up. That's a little tip to keep your cake moist. A lot of people really don't pay attention. I know I didn't. I'm gonna mix this up. All the ingredients. I'm gonna get the mixer, I'm gonna mix the liquids in, and I'll get back on here and show you when they're in the pans. And the baking soda, I'm sorry, it was baking soda, not baking powder.